UK immigration shake-up. How new rules impact families and singles, and what you can do. The United Kingdom's immigration landscape is changing, and for many, it's a make-or-break moment. Whether you're a family hoping to reunite with loved ones, or a single person chasing your dreams in the UK, the new rules could dramatically alter your future. In recent years, the UK has tightened immigration policies, raising salary thresholds, increasing visa fees, and introducing stricter requirements for dependents. Officials say it's about protecting jobs for local workers and controlling population growth. But for immigrants already here, the changes are deeply personal. Families in the crossfire. For families, the biggest hurdle is the financial requirement for sponsorship. To bring a spouse or dependent child to the UK, the sponsoring partner must now meet a much higher minimum income threshold, often over £38,700 per year for certain visas. This leaves many lower-income families torn apart simply because their paychecks don't meet the bar. Rent, childcare costs, and living expenses are already sky-high in the UK, so many immigrants are being forced into impossible choices. Leave the UK to keep the family together. Live apart for years while trying to meet the income threshold. Rely on expensive legal appeals with no guarantee of success. And then there's the emotional toll. Missed birthdays, first steps, and milestones that can never be replaced. Singles feel the heat too. For single immigrants, it's not just about love, it's about survival. The increased costs of work and study visas hit hardest for those without a second income to share the burden. Many skilled workers have seen visa renewal fees climb into the thousands, while international students now face strict limitations on working hours, making it harder to afford tuition and living costs. In some cases, singles are being priced out of the UK entirely. The message is clear. Only those with high salaries or large savings are welcome to stay long-term. Who really benefits? Government ministers argue that these rules benefit the UK economy by ensuring immigration is sustainable and skills-focused. They claim that raising thresholds will reduce pressure on housing, healthcare, and public services. But critics say it's a double-edged sword, cutting off essential workers in healthcare, hospitality, and transport, sectors already struggling with staff shortages. The policy may favor certain industries while leaving others in crisis. What can you do? If you're living in the UK and worried about your immigration status, here are some proactive steps you can take. Know your rights. Keep updated with the latest Home Office rules. Immigration solicitors often share free updates online. Plan your income. If your visa renewal depends on meeting a salary threshold, consider upskilling or seeking roles that meet the requirement. Document everything. Keep proof of your work, income, and residency. Missing paperwork is one of the most common reasons for visa refusal. Seek legal advice early. Immigration law is complex. Even a quick consultation can help you avoid costly mistakes. Explore alternative routes, family reunion visas, skilled worker pathways, and investor visas all have different requirements. One may suit you better than your current route. The bigger picture. The UK's new immigration approach sends a strong signal. Immigration will continue, but it will be selective, expensive, and competitive. For many, it's a wake-up call to take control of their legal status before policy shifts again. While families face separation and singles struggle with rising costs, the one constant is uncertainty. The best defense? Staying informed, financially prepared, and legally protected. The UK has introduced tougher immigration rules, reshaping the lives of both families and single immigrants. From higher salary thresholds to skyrocketing visa fees, the changes are creating winners and losers. In this Report Zone special, we break down how the rules affect families and couples, The impact on single workers and students. What you can do to protect your immigration status. Why critics say these changes hurt more than they help. Don't miss our deep dive into the UK's immigration shake-up. Knowledge could be the difference between staying and leaving. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.